This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 32 and the last of this month's delivery of Optimus Prime. We're going to be using some parts. Look, I dug out the parts from last month, which we're going to be using some of, but not all of yet. I don't like it when there's parts left over, but there we go. Script against the clock, obviously for some sort of writing deadline by the sounds of it. Values of Optimus, it's all heroism and being good to people and stuff, isn't it? Warpath, big red tank. No memory of him. Still about victory. And obviously continuing series 6, I think, of the Autobots. So yes, this is also part 6. Detail parts added to the main assembly that we've already put on bits from before. So yeah, we'll get straight to that and make it look nice and shiny, and it's going to look like that at the end. And that's the middle bit there. So it's, yeah, the leg is obviously the vast majority of him. More than half, more than 2/3 of his body's leg. But yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it all put together. Right, let's get some of these detail pieces added. They're all plastic, but that's the job, doesn't it? So basically we've got to make the other side look like this side. So we've got a little bit that just goes in there. Obviously we couldn't put these on initially because we hadn't got everything screwed together. Now that goes on there, that goes next to it around the outside. Simply friction fit pins into little holes. Just like that. Cool. We've got some tubes to fit. They go onto there. Slightly angled and with a flat side, so you can't get them the wrong way around unless you really try. They will just go onto there like that. Then we've got this outer ring which goes on there, matching the one on the other side. Like that. And then we've got these outside bits. Well, they go on the outside, funnily enough. Finishing off that bit. And then that goes on the front. Again, friction pins to get it lined up. Not rocket science. Am I the right way up? Double check that. No, I shouldn't be putting that on quite yet. We've got to do 2 of these first. These go on there. These are in sort of shock absorber type things. Well, obviously not really, but they look good. They are proper shock absorber type things as well. So there you go. Get them on that way round. They go on there. Then that can go on the top. It's got to go that way round. Like that. They are going on there later. That then goes over the top and covers over that ugly bit where they fit. Get the pins lined up on that. It's there, and it is there, just not quite there. Oh no, I was going into the wrong bit. It's lower than I thought. It's on there like that. Another little mask thing in there. So that is that. That's all those extra pieces fitted. The other two of those are going to fit somewhere. Oh, they'll go onto these bits, no doubt. Look very similar. Going to go on there, but not yet. And these bits, who knows? Who knows where they're going to end up going? But again, not yet. So I shall put those aside. I'll put them back in the mug where I've been keeping loose bits like that. So yeah, all in all, that's quite a substantial thing built in this delivery. It's got some weight to it. Obviously, the top half here is all plastic, but that's okay because, yeah, it's all substantial enough where it counts. So that is that. Another issue, another month done. I hope you're enjoying the build. If you are, leave a comment, let me know. If you're not, then leave a comment and let me know. Other than that, I shall see you for more part works very soon and more of him in about a month. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.